Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. I'm Tim Heisey, and today I'll be going over our final lesson in our Baki self-defense series. In this episode, I'll be going over the Baki versus Biscuit Oliva fight to show you how to defend against a stomach strike. Check out the scene where Baki just freed himself from a thumb restraint and has to throw a straight punch into the midsection of Oliva. After this clip, I'll meet you back here to show you how you can defend against that strike. Let's check it out.
Guess I'm not gonna be able to keep fighting like this. Sorry for the wait. You really know what you're talking about.
Yes, this is much better.
Hey! Did you see how Baki got slammed in the stomach? We don't want that to happen to us. Let me show you how to defend against somebody trying to punch you in the stomach. Bob here is doing a strike right to my midsection. For starters, all I'm going to do is turn. That's it. If he's punching straight and you turn, it's going to go right by you. But to make sure that he misses, we're going to block. Turn and block. All you're doing is using your forearm to block the punch, or at least to push it out of the way and make sure it doesn't hit you. Turn and block. From here, you're going to give it right back to him. You're going to punch him right in the solar plexus. Block, punch. Eye strike with a thumb. You want the thumb right into the eye. Strike. From here, we're going to do a palm strike to the groin. Here, then we're going to step, and we're going to do a sweep. Legs up and down. Again, Bob goes to strike me in the stomach. Turn and block, punch, eye strike, palm strike, and then a sweep. Again, turn and block, punch in the solar plexus, eye strike, groin strike. For the sweep, leg comes up, and you're just hooking right behind the leg. And you're straightening your leg out that way. At the same time, you're pulling your opponent's head towards you or down to that direction. Sweep. Again, once you're here, you can finish. Strike, strike, hammer. However you want to finish. So what happens if you've already been hit? Okay, you're going to be bundled over, right? You can get hit. You're going to cave in on yourself. From here, you're going to give it back to him. You're hit. Strike. Thumb. Palm strike. And a sweep. If you're not in a position to strike back right away, or you're getting pummeled on and now he's hitting you, and you change and you're blocking, I do the same technique, but I'll take away the punch at the solar plexus. There's too much going on and we don't want to miss. So instead of hitting here, we're going to go straight into the eye because we want to stop him. We want to shut him down. Strike. From here, we're going to strike the groin. If you want to get power into it, wind it up. He's already distracted from a thumb in his eye. So wind, step a little bit, strike. From here, he's bent over. Step, knee up, and you sweep. Again, you're struck. Step, strike into the eye. Especially if you're farther away, you want to make sure you can get to him. Step, strike, strike, come to the side, sweep. For this final technique, we're going to take the offensive. We're here. Go ahead and put your left foot back a little bit. That way you can be in a position. You're going to step forward a little bit with your right foot. Just here is going to get you close, and it's going to give you extra power and more follow through. Defensive stance. Step, punch, thumb, strike, and a sweep. Again, punch, thumb strike. We don't need a lot of power into this strike to put a thumb in the eye. You're trying to get them distracted. Strike. Palm. If you don't want to go that way and you find yourself too far this way after he bends over, just sweep this way. Last time. Whoa. Strike. Eye. Strike. Step. Sweep. Last time. For this offensive, let's put the left foot forward, right foot back, defensive position. Step, strike in the solar plexus. When we're striking the solar plexus, we're hitting with these top two knuckles here. We don't want to hit with the little ones, they could break. Strike. Left thumb to the eye. Right palm strike. Grab, knee up, and sweep. Onto the bag. Block. Turn. Punch. Thumb strike. Palm. Step. Sweep. Or sweep. Whatever feels more comfortable at the time. One more. Strike. Now with our imaginary opponent. I'm just standing here and he goes to punch me in the midsection. Block. From here, turn, strike. From here, turn, eye. From here, turn, groin strike. From here, turn, step, grab, knee up, sweep. Turn and block. Turn and punch. Turn and eye gouge. Turn and palm strike. Step. There you go. Sweep. Finish. From the side. Block. Punch. Thumb in the eye. Groin strike. Step. Sweep. From behind. That's it for today's lesson. Please like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here again for more self-defense techniques.